Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing really well. How are you doing?
I am great. I am from India. My name is Ramzan.
Ramzan. Cool. Am I saying that right?
Yes, correct.
Good. I'm Jessa.
And you are from China?
No. I'm actually calling from New York in the
Okay,
United States. But actually, originally, my parents were from Indonesia.
okay.
Yeah.
And what's your profession?
So right now I am a graphic and web designer. But I feel like I don't have just one profession. I'd like to do a lot of different things. How about you?
Yes, I am also a web developer.
Oh, cool.
Yes. So also developing mobile apps and just started my freelancing work. Earlier, I was working with the company.
Hmm.
Yes. So which technology you are working on?
Um, I think you probably do more technical stuff,
Yes.
like the
Yes.
programming side. But
Yes.
for me, I don't really do that. I focus more on the design. So I mostly work in WordPress, and the
Okay.
most coding I have to do is like some basic CSS coding. It's not
Okay.
hard.
Yes, yes, I got it. Actually, I was working on React.js, PHP for backend.
Oh, uh-huh.
Yes, and Node.js and all. Yes, that is quite interesting. But at the time when we start these type of things, so it become a little bit harder. But later on, when we have good skill level, then it become easier.
Yeah, that's right. So,
So
oh,
yes, yes, go ahead.
I was just curious why you decided to switch from the company to freelance because it can be a tough decision. I definitely feel the difference now.
Yes, yes, it was quite tough decision. Actually, the problem was I was good in communication skill.
Mm,
So I was able to speak in English and could able to understand the problems of other people.
mm,
So I had a YouTube channel in which I was uploading technical videos, and from there there were some people who were connected with me. I actually shared my contact details below in the description. So
mm.
because of that, they were trying to connect me and offering me some amount for solving their problems. So in the company, I was getting not getting a good amount of salary.
Mm, mhm,
So what I found that if I am working with freelance work, then I will definitely earn more money, as well as
mm,
I will have my own. I would be my own boss. I don't have
mhm.
to uh, work under any specific person. So that was, of course, easier for me. And even in the company, I was working for about 10 hours a day.
Oh, long hours.
And
Yeah.
yes, long hours. And I found that if I am putting that much efforts in my freelancing work, then definitely I will be getting more profit, getting more clients, and definitely that become more. That would become my own asset at the end.
Hmm.
And even I was also interested to develop my own products, like my own softwares. So for that, I had needed time. And if
Yes, that's
if
true.
I'm working in a company, then I couldn't able to handle all these things.
Mm,
So that's
I
why I
see.
decided to quit the company and started my own work. And I was having 6 months of backup. I mean, I had
Uh-huh.
uh, some
Smart.
savings, some savings that if somehow I couldn't able to uh, I couldn't able to establish my own business, then definitely I would return back to job after 6 months. But
Yeah.
hopefully, after I spent 1 year, and now I have enough amount. I'm in 10 times earning more than I was earning in a company.
Wow, congratulations. That's
And I
really
have
good.
also launched my own product that was about 50 softwares, 50 tools,
Mm,
website. So these are the things which I actually found positive. That's why I started my own business.
Yeah, I definitely feel the same way about a lot of that.
Yes.
Um, Although I feel like when I switched, I definitely felt like it was challenging a little bit because you're working, like whatever you put in is what you get back in terms of the
Yes.
pay. But
Yes.
I guess you have to figure out a way to fill up all of your hours because if you work for a company, you work 10 hours, but they'll
Yes.
pay you the salary, right?
Yes.
So, you have to figure out how to fill up 10 hours or, whatever number of hours when you're freelancing too. So there is a challenge too.
Yes. So you are working in a company?
No, so I used to work in New York City
Uh-huh.
in a completely different type of job. So I used to be a wholesale planner, which
Mm-hmm.
is a lot of like data analysis to help the company order enough inventory for different stores. And
Mm-hmm.
then I quit that because I felt like they kept giving me multiple jobs. So there was the job I was hired for. And then they're
Mm-hmm.
like, oh, you're smart here, do this other job. But they didn't want to pay for it. So I was like,
Yes.
this doesn't seem right. So eventually, I mean, I asked them, I said, hey, are you going to compensate me for this second job? And
Mm-hmm.
they're like, you have to be patient. If you're patient, then it will come. I said, but I'm already doing the work. So this
Mm-hmm.
seems kind of strange to me. Um, Eventually, I waited maybe 6 months and I
Mm-hmm.
didn't get the money. So I was like, okay, I can actually earn more. And like you, have the time to work on my projects
Mm-hmm.
um, if I freelance. So I agree with you.
Yes, yes, that is the thing. Actually, one more thing I found that if you are surviving for at least 1 year after quitting the job, then definitely you will have a type of mindset that you will never ever return back to the job,
Mm-hmm.
because
Mm-hmm.
you will understand the value of your time, and you will understand that how much efforts if you are putting for your own work, then definitely you will have ultimate outputs.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the growth potential is so much higher. It just the thing I noticed also is that not all people are suited for freelance.
Yes.
Some people just want to go to work, do like the bare minimum, get paid, and then leave. So those people maybe are not a good fit for freelancing.
Yes, yes, of course, we have to create a relationship with the clients.
Yeah.
And later on, we actually get more tasks, and even we have a great communication. Actually, in this complete year, I learned a lot that how to communicate with the clients, how to handle all the things. I was not working on design related things, but because of
Mm-hmm.
my own project, I couldn't able to share that project with the other designers. So I thought that I have to learn by my own, and I worked on designing as well. So right now, I can manage everything. I can do the development. I can do the designing for my
Mm-hmm.
projects. So everything I am able to manage. And now I am thinking that I have needed some assistant. So for that, I am looking for an assistant who is more trustable. So this is the difficult problem I have, that if I am sharing something with others, so that person must be a trustable. So yes, of course, we are learning actually.
Okay, someone trustworthy. Is that what you meant? Trustworthy?
Yes, yes, actually, I don't have enough skills to understand the others.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, trust is the most important thing because you need to know that if you say, if the assistant says, I'm going to do this, then you don't feel any stress that the
Hmm.
person will do it well.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, okay,
Oh, we're
thank you
running
so
out.
much.
Thank you. All right. Talk soon.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.